Hello, today we will guide you through how to change phone number on Shop app. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Shop account and that you have access to the new phone number you want to use. You may be asked to verify it, so keep your phone nearby with SMS or call reception available. Start by opening the Shop website in your browser or launch the Shop app if you prefer. Once it's open, look for the profile or account icon. On the website, you'll typically find it near the top of the page. On mobile, it's often along the bottom navigation bar. This icon leads to your personal account area. Tap or click the profile icon to open your account. This takes you to a hub where you can manage your orders, addresses, and account details. From here, locate and select Settings. Settings is where you control preferences, privacy, and login details, which includes your phone number. Inside Settings, choose Account and Login. This section houses your core contact and security information, like your email, password, and phone number. Updating your number here keeps your account secure and ensures you can receive order updates and verification codes. Next, select Mobile Number. You'll see your current number displayed, along with an option to change it. Click or tap the field to begin editing. Carefully enter your new phone number. Make sure the country code is correct, especially if you've moved or use an international number. Type the digits without extra spaces or special characters unless the field formats it automatically. Double check for typos. Even a single incorrect digit can prevent you from receiving important messages. When you're ready, select Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the change. In most cases, Shop will send a verification code to your new number by text or call. Enter that code exactly as shown to confirm the update. You may also be asked to confirm your identity through your existing login method or by acknowledging a security prompt. These steps help protect your account from unauthorized changes. After verification succeeds, your new number is saved. Take a moment to confirm it appears correctly in Account and Login, and consider signing out and back in or refreshing the page to ensure the change has taken effect. If you don't receive a code, wait a moment, check your signal, and request a new one. If you've lost access to your previous number and can't complete verification, use the help or support options within Shop for further assistance. That's it. Your phone number is updated and ready to use.